Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to use Intelligence feature which is introduced in PowerFX enabled desktop view. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. So first of all, what I will do is I will use set variable action. Now here you see that you have a button which is for select function. Once you will click on this button, you will see that you have certain functions, right, which is related to date and time, which is related to information, right, which means these functions are going to return the boolean values, right. And here you have logical operators, you have functions related to mathematics, and then you have functions related to table, right, and these functions are related to text. Same feature you will see that in the cloud flow, right. Now what I will do is I will click on this select function, and from here what I will do is I will go to text, and from here I will use lower. So you have to click on this lower. Now this function is expecting a string value, right. If you don't know what value to pass here, you can press Ctrl and space key. The moment you will press Ctrl and space, you will get this hint text which will tell you what parameter it is expecting. Now here you see that it says a text value to convert to lowercase, and what this function does is it converts all letters in a text value to lowercase, right. Same Intelligence feature you can also get it the moment you type the first open bracket, right. And here if you give technical training, and then you have to add this closing bracket, and then I will click on save, and now I will run the bot. And here you can see that all the characters have been converted to the lowercase. Now if you want to use a different function here, you can again go to click on this select function, and then from here you can search for the function which is going to suit your requirement. So let's say if I choose this function, the moment I highlight this function, you see that it tells me that converts a date in the form of text to a number, and that represents the date in Power Apps DateTime code, right. If I take this function, you see that it is not in proper format. So every function in PowerFX enabled desktop flow will start with equals to sign. Now what do I enter here? To get to know that, I will press Ctrl and space key. Now you have this Intelligence which tells me that you need to specify a date in the text format. And second parameter which it takes is language code. So first of all, what I will do is I will specify 12th of March 2024. The moment I will enter the comma, you will see the language. So I will choose language. Then I will press save button. Then I will click on run. Now here you can see that it has converted that text date into the date time data type, right? Consider that you want to split a text. If you want to split a text, you need to type split. The moment I start typing, you see that I get the list of functions which are going to start with S, right? So I'll type split. If I want to know what parameter it is going to accept, I will also type the closing bracket. Then I will place the cursor between these two brackets and then press Ctrl and space key. You will get to know the parameters. So first parameter that it accepts is text, and second parameter is separated, right? So let's say I'm going to pass the parameter as technical training. The next parameter is going to be the separator. So what I will do is I will use this function which is blank, or what I will do is I will give the space in the double quotes. Then I will click on save and I will run the bot. Here you can see that it has split that text into the two list items, which is technical and training. And how do I access this? To access this, I need to use the index, which is 0 and 1, right? 0 and 1, and then from there I have to use this value property. Now if I want to access the first item, what I will do is I will use this set variable action. From here I will use this equals to, and then I have a function which is called as first, and here I will specify the variable which is holding that list of objects. I will click on this select a variable and then I will choose this new var, and then I will click on save and I will run the bot. Here you can see that you have got the value which is technical, and let's try to access this value by typing dot to value. The moment you will enter the dot, you will get this property which is value, and then click on save and then run the bot. You can see that the value has been accessed and the data type is text value. After accessing this value, if you want to convert it to the uppercase, then you need to type upper. You have got all the intelligence. Just select this function and then press enter, then specify the opening bracket, paste the formula or function which we typed earlier, and then close the bracket, click on save and then run the bot. As you can see here that the text has been converted to uppercase. Similarly, if you want to get the last value from the list, then you need to use the last function. The moment I start typing, I get the intelligence, and from here I can choose the function which I need, and whatever function I choose, you can see that here we have this intelligence which tells what is the use of this function. I'll select the last and then I'll specify the opening bracket, click on save and then run the bot. This time we will get training in the capital letter, right? So in the latest version of Power Automate Desktop, which is 2.42, Intelligence feature has been introduced in the PowerFX enabled desktop flows. This feature is very similar to what we have in the cloud flows in Power Automate. So if you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.